Hello and welcome back to the channel. A Merry Christmas to you all. Today, Father Christmas has been, well, delivery drive has been. I bought myself a Christmas present and it's going to be a new hobby and it's just arrived. So I got it from Argos and I'll show you where it is. Do you like a Christmas tree? Right, I'll show you where it is. So I've moved into the conservatory now, there's a bit more light in here. So what did I buy myself for Christmas? It's something I've wanted and I've been umming and ahhing for about a year and a half. But I got a special deal on Argos with it and I also got a discount code. So I thought, why not buy yourself a drone, Andrew? So I need something to get me out and about. So hopefully this is a new hobby. So it's the DJI Mini 2 SE full fly kit. I have been learning the drone rules, etc. There's quite a number of new drone rules come in. I've got the flyer's ID. I've just got to register me drone and everything. So I'm not going to do an unboxing because there must be hundreds of unboxing videos on the channel. But I've got to physically register it, update everything, and we're on the edge of the storm, sort of payer or something like that, is it now? We're on the end of that, so it's blowing quite heavily. And I need a big open space to learn how to fly it. So I'll need to register the drone. Like I say, I've got my flyer's ID, but I just need to register my zone so I'm legal to fly it. And then also update myself on the new rules that's come out. So there's going to be a lot to learn. Keep the old brain cells going. So what we'll do is I'll open it up and we'll just have a quick look inside. But I'll not really do any flying until I'm ready to fly it. So I'll just do all my updating and everything. And we'll see you in a bit. This is what comes in. You get a full carrier bag, so this is what comes in the carrier bag. So you've got a charge lead, a couple of adapters for different phones, some blades, you get your drone. Like I say, it is small as well. I haven't opened it up yet. You get your controller, which that pulls out. I think it's your antenna and your phone, so that pulls out. You get the battery charger, a couple of batteries, and I think there's a battery in the drone as well. There's 3 batteries in total. And you get round about 30 minutes flight time. I suppose that depends on weather conditions and wind and everything else. So what I'll do is I'll open the drone up. We'll have a quick look at that. Well, it's certainly a lot smaller than what I thought it would be, but we'll show you it now. Right, so I've opened up the arms and everything. It's not even the size of the palm of my hand. So that's obviously it's the drone, and that's your controller. So you put your phone in for controller. Joysticks are kept under there. So I just need to do a load of updating and charging, and we'll probably do a first flight on a separate video anyway. That's my Christmas present to myself. Like I say, I got it from Argos. And it was a buy now, paying over 12 months or paying 12 months, so why not? You've got to treat yourself, especially at our age. So it's like I say, it's going to be a new hobby, a new learning curve for me, and also, like I say, keep them old brain cells going, and also follow all the drone rules, the new regulations, etc. So I'm going to just get on with now, updating it and everything else. I'll not show you all that lot because there's loads of videos and I'm not a professional and I ain't got a clue what I'm doing with drone, but we'll find out and we'll learn how to use it. We may get to just do a little test flight, but it'll have to be indoors, I think, because I've read it just when you put it into hover, it hovers about 4 foot off of the ground, so fingers crossed we'll try that and see how it goes. We'll see you in a bit. If I do great flying, video will carry on. If not, it'll be ending soon. Bye for now. I've now updated it. It didn't take too long to update actually. So I'm going to go for my first little flight. I understand that it just hovers. So I'm going to do it indoors and we'll see what it goes like. I'm just going to stand my camera up somewhere so you can see it. Might be a bit far away, but we'll have a go. Bear with me. Right, so I've got my phone on, got it all connected. So to actual activate it, I've already done that. You can watch things, but to get it to start flying, you physically pull them two down.
Take off.
There you can see, hopefully. So if I just do the up arrow, and there we are. We're flying. And that's me on camera. That's a lot quieter than what I thought it was going to be. I know batteries are low, so I need to charge them up, but I've had a go. You can turn it round that way. Yeah, I need to charge all my batteries up and that. So to fetch it home, just press home and it should land itself, I think. So I'll put down arrow now. So that's my first maiden flight. That's going to be some fun, that is. Right, I need to charge all my batteries up and that. But like I say, I need to find a big open space because, like you say, that storm's still blowing well out there. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you did and enjoyed looking at my Christmas present, don't forget, give us that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed and you do happen to come across this video and you like what's on the channel or you like the video, don't forget, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell, it'll tell you when we've uploaded some more videos. And don't forget, I've got a lot more to come from Ireland. Like I say, I wish I'd got this when we went to Ireland. Would have got some stunning video from there with this drone. But there's plenty of time in 2024 to take some drone footage. So until the next video, which will probably be from when we're in North Wales over New Year, and I'm still uploading my Ireland videos. So we'll see you in the next video. Whether it's from Ireland, or whether it's from North Wales, or whether it's a drone flight. Who knows? Bye for now.